Hey, friends. Welcome to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Nora.
And I'm Jack. Today, phone plan English, store English, support English. Simple and clear.
You will learn how to choose a plan, keep your number, activate a SIM, fix no service, and pay your bill.
Short lines, real life. Copy us. Let's go.
First, magic words. Repeat after us.
Hello.
Please.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
One more time with a smile. Hello.
Please.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Nice.
At the store entrance.
Hello. Could you help me with a phone plan?
Sure. Are you starting new or switching from another company?
I'm switching. I want to keep my number.
Great. We can help with that. What do you need?
I want a simple plan with data and hotspot.
Your turn. Could you help me with a phone plan? I'm switching. I want to keep my number.
Plan words. Repeat.
Prepaid.
Postpaid.
Unlimited data. 5 gigabytes of data.
Minutes and texts.
Hotspot.
Coverage.
International plan. Roaming.
Your turn. Prepaid.
Unlimited data.
Hotspot.
Coverage.
International plan. Roaming.
Ask good questions.
How much is the plan per month?
Are taxes and fees included?
Is there a contract?
Is there a discount for autopay?
How much hotspot data is included?
How is the coverage in my area?
Your turn. How much per month? Are taxes included? Is there a discount for autopay? Prepaid versus postpaid. Simple lines.
I want prepaid. I will pay monthly in advance.
I want postpaid. I will pay after I use it.
I don't want a credit check. Prepaid is better for me.
I want a family plan for 3 lines.
Your turn. I want prepaid. I want postpaid. I want a family plan.
Pick your data.
I use a lot of video. I want unlimited data.
I use only maps and messages. 5 gigabytes is enough.
Does the plan slow down after a limit?
Is hotspot included? How many gigabytes?
Your turn. I want unlimited data. Does it slow down? Is hotspot included?
Now, keep your number. This is called porting.
I want to keep my phone number.
I need to port my number.
What do you need from me?
We need your account number and a transfer PIN from your old company.
Okay. My account number is 123456. My transfer PIN is 7890.
Thank you. We will start the port. It may take a few minutes.
Your turn. I want to keep my number. I need to port my number. My account number is. My transfer PIN is.
If you don't know your transfer PIN,
How do I get my transfer PIN?
can you text me the steps?
Can you show me in the app?
Thank you for your help.
Your turn. How do I get my transfer PIN?
SIM or eSIM?
I need a SIM card.
I want an eSIM.
Can you activate my eSIM with a QR code?
Could you help me scan it?
My phone shows no service.
Could you activate the line again?
Your turn. I want an eSIM. Can you activate it? My phone shows no service.
Activation steps. Simple flow.
Restart the phone.
Turn airplane mode on, then off.
Check cellular settings.
Try another SIM slot if your phone has one.
Could you reset network settings?
Can we test the call and data now?
Your turn. Restart the phone. Could you reset network settings?
Coverage check.
How is coverage in this zip code?
Do you have 5G in my area?
Does this plan work well inside buildings?
Can I return the SIM if the coverage is bad?
Your turn. How is coverage in this zip code? Do you have 5G in my area?
Billing basics.
When is my bill due?
How much is the bill with taxes and fees?
Can I set up autopay and paperless billing?
Is there a discount for autopay?
Can I change my plan later?
Is there a fee to cancel?
Your turn. When is my bill due? Is there a discount for autopay? Is there a fee to cancel?
Upgrade and unlock.
I want to upgrade my phone.
Is there a trade-in offer?
Is my phone locked?
How can I unlock my phone?
Your turn. Is my phone locked? How can I unlock it?
International use.
I will travel next month.
Do you have an international plan?
How much per day?
Which countries are included?
How do I turn roaming on?
Your turn. Do you have an international plan? How much per day? Let's do a store role play. Copy our lines.
Hello. Could you help me with a phone plan?
Of course. Are you starting new or switching?
I'm switching. I want to keep my number.
Great. We can port your number. Do you want prepaid or postpaid?
Prepaid, please. I don't want a credit check.
How much data do you need?
I want unlimited data with hotspot.
The plan is $45 per month with autopay.
Are taxes and fees included?
Yes, included.
Nice. How is coverage in 90210?
Good 5G coverage in that area.
Okay, let's do it.
Please share your account number and transfer PIN.
My account number is 123456. My transfer PIN is 7890.
Thank you. We will activate an eSIM now.
Could you help me scan the QR code?
Yes. Please open Settings. Scan now.
Done. It shows bars.
Let's make a test call.
Hello? I can hear you.
Perfect. Your turn. Try the whole flow from "Could you help me with a phone plan" to "Let's make a test call." Phone support call. Copy this script.
Hello. My data is not working.
May I have your name and phone number?
Nora Lee, 555-123-4567.
Thank you. What phone do you have?
An iPhone 12.
When did the issue start?
Today, after I switched plans.
Let's try a few steps. Please restart your phone.
Okay, I restarted.
Turn airplane mode on, then off.
Done.
I refreshed your line. Please try the internet now.
It works. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anything else?
That's all. Thanks again.
Your turn. Hello, my data is not working. Restart the phone. It works. Thank you. Chat support script. For apps or websites.
Hi, I need help with my eSIM.
My phone shows no service.
My line is new today.
Could you activate the eSIM again?
Could you send me a new QR code?
Thank you for your help.
Your turn. Hi, I need help with my eSIM. Could you send me a new
Family
QR
plan
code?
lines.
I want a family plan for 3 lines.
How much per line?
Can I add a line later?
Do all lines get hotspot?
Is there a student or teacher discount?
Your turn. I want a family plan. How much per line?
Data control lines.
Can I set a data limit?
Can I slow data for 1 line?
Can I turn hotspot off for kids?
Can I pause data at night?
Your turn. Can I set a data limit? Can I turn hotspot off?
Billing and payments. Quick lines.
When is my due date?
Can I change my due date?
How do I pay my bill?
Can I use autopay with a debit card?
How do I see my bill details?
Can I download a PDF bill?
Your turn. When is my due date? How do I pay my bill?
Cancel or pause.
I want to cancel my plan.
When will the cancel take effect?
Is there a fee to cancel?
Can I keep my number when I cancel?
I want to pause my line for 1 month. Your turn. I want to cancel my plan. Is there a fee to cancel?
Quick quiz. Say the best phrase.
You want to keep your number. You say, I need to port my number.
You don't know the transfer PIN. You say,
How do I get my transfer PIN?
your phone shows no service. You say,
Could you activate my eSIM again?
you want a lower bill. You say,
Is there a discount for autopay?
You want to travel next month. You say,
Do you have an international plan?
speed practice. Copy fast but clear.
Could you help me with a phone plan?
I'm switching. I want to keep my number.
I want prepaid.
I want postpaid.
How much per month?
Are taxes included?
Is there a discount for autopay?
I need to port my number.
My account number is.
My transfer PIN is.
I want an eSIM.
My phone shows no service.
Could you reset network settings?
Do you have an international plan?
When is my bill due?
I want to cancel my plan.
Full flow from plan choice to activation. Copy me.
Let's do it.
Hello. Could you help me with a phone plan?
I'm switching. I want to keep my number.
I want prepaid with unlimited data and hotspot. How much per month?
Are taxes included? Is there a discount for autopay?
Okay, sounds good. I need to port my number. My account number is 123456.
My transfer PIN is 7890. I want an eSIM. Could you help me scan the QR code?
It shows bars now. Let's test a call. Hello?
I can hear you.
Great. When is my bill due? How do I set up autopay?
Thank you so much.
Nice. Clean. Done. Final tips.
Ask for a receipt or a welcome email.
Save your account number and your transfer PIN in your notes.
Test call, text, and data before you leave the store.
Check coverage at home and work in the first week.
If you are not happy, ask about a return window.
Practice challenge. Comment 3 lines, 1 for plan choice, 1 for porting, and 1 for fixing no service. We will reply with a tip.
Subscribe for more easy, real English.
This was the Mr. English Podcast with Nora and Jack.
Keep your phone happy and your English strong.
Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye for now.